everyone, it's Scarlett. Today we came to Changsha Top-Auto Technology Company. Top-Auto was founded on 2016. Top-Auto means Top Automatic Technology, which stands for the original intention goal. Our general manager, Mr. Luo, established the enterprise. Our company vision is to become leading automatic mobile elevating work platforms provider in global market. Next, I'm going to show you 3 areas. Let me show you one by one.
The first area is our meeting room and showroom.
We have clients' reception and meetings here. Here are some exhibition samples which we use for our shows both at home and abroad. We supply aerial work platforms parts for all major manufacturers and trading companies at home and abroad. Our parts range refers electric control parts, hydraulic parts, structural parts, tires and wheels, maintenance parts. We can see here from the above to the bottom there are some motor controllers. Motor controllers, platform control boxes for scissor lift, Gen 5 and Gen 6 series, Xinboom, Dingli, and many Chinese brand series. Electronic control unit series for most scissor lift and different joysticks. In the middle are some Holland series platform control boxes, GLG series platform control boxes, and some hydraulic parts. The left shelf represents the small parts for aerial work platform, joystick, foot switch, PCBA, fuel filters, coil cord, different brand connectors, etc. Now let's move to our office room. Here are our sales team, R&D department, and administration department. We worked at a comparative open office. We can communicate very efficiently to solve problems for clients. Now I'm inside the workshop. Let me show you more details.
Here is for storing raw materials. This area is for assembling products. The assembled product is being tested.